Packing is one of the important ways to realize the value of commodities. It protects and prettifies commodities and plays an important role in the production, storage, transportation, and sales of commodities. In international trade, packing is often decisive in identifying and marketing commodities. Hence, packing is one of the key terms in business communication and negotiation. To achieve this goal, the following points concerning package should be considered: materials and design, intensity, light-proof, waterproof, etc. Packing can be either for transportation or for sale. Packing for transportation is also called big packing or outer packing, while packing for sales is also called small packing or inner packing. The outer packing of the cargoes should meet the following requirements: be solid and durable, adaptable to the changing climate at the loading and unloading ports and transit areas, be uniform so as to convenience storage, calculation, cargo inspection, and identification, have the least weight, volume, and cost. There are two types of outer packing: unit outer packing and assemblage outer packing. Containers for unit outer packing are usually: number 1, cases, which include wooden cases, carton, plastic cases, and so on. Number 2, drums, which include wooden drums, barrels, and so on. Bags, gunny bags, plastic bags, and so on. Crates and baskets, bundles, bales, and so on. As packing materials, wood must be disinfected, and many countries forbid straw to be used for the packing of imported goods. To convenience transportation, unit goods are usually assembled or consolidated into large containers. This we call assemblage outer packing. Containers for the purpose include flexible containers and pallet. Inner packing will not only protect but also prettify the commodities. It provides some necessary information about the quality, function, origin, usage, and sometimes other things about the commodities. Inner packing plays a very important part in sales promotion. Now that you have already have some idea about the packing of commodity, let's spend a few minutes on the marking of goods. Marking means to have some designs, letters, words, or numbers stencified on the transportation package of cargoes. It is used for identification, for understanding the place of origin, for simplifying the examination of cargoes, and for the protection of cargoes. Marks can be of various kinds, generally known to us as shipping marks, indicative marks, and warning marks. Shipping marks. 4 elements are usually included in shipping marks. 1. Abbreviation of the consignee or buyer. Full name is not to be used here, but in railway or highway transaction, full names are required. 2. Reference number. It is one of the numbers of the shipping documents and should not be too long. 3. The name of the unloading. It should be clear and complete. In case the name refers to more than one place, it should be followed by the name of the country. Package number. Exporters should list the shipping mark, the total number of the whole lot of cargoes, and number the individual packages so as to convenience verification of each individual consignment. Here is an example of shipping mark. Are you clear about the shipping mark now? Let's move on. We're going to talk about indicative mark and warning mark. Indicative marks are often used to draw attention for proper handling. Here are some examples. Warning marks are often used to indicate dangerous cargoes, especially for dangerous goods such as explosive, inflammable, corrosive, and radioactive cargoes. Here are some examples. This is the warning marks for explosive cargoes and the warning marks for poisonous. In some cases, it is the practice to supply the supplementary mark, giving the dimension of the package. Moreover, it is also preferable to show the gross weight, net weight, and sometimes the tare of the cargo. Here is an example of this kind. Under the shipping mark, the dimension of the package is given, followed by its gross weight, net weight, and the tare.